Good Wednesday evening, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back, Southwest Arkansas weather on Wednesday, June the 24th, 2026. Taking a look at your evening weather blog, looking at current conditions over the Prescott, Arkansas area. You can see temperatures around 82 degrees. We got a mix of some clouds and sun there across the region. Southwest wind, mainly calm, but right around 1 miles an hour right now at this current time. Taking a look at what current radar is currently showing. Not a whole lot going on after earlier rounds of heavy rainfall and flash flooding. We were watching some more showers and potentially some more storms later on down the road through the day. We were watching one shower that's kind of pretty much fell apart. One storm over here near the north of Durant that's fell apart. So far so good. We are still watching for any chances of maybe an isolated strong to severe storm through the rest of the day and overnight hours tonight. I will show you model data. I do want to heed caution though. Model data is not going to be great for this, but it is just going to help us use. We're going to use this to help us just get the general overall idea, not the specifics. Remember that model data hasn't been great, but the general idea is we may see a few more storms trying to get going overnight once again. But the story looks to be overnight there, right around like 2 to 3 a.m., kind of like similar to this morning. We'll see some showers and storms develop somewhere in southwest Arkansas, maybe a little further to the east compared to today's, and we can see similar scenario to what we did earlier today, maybe with some heavy rainfall occurring through the morning hours and some flash flooding remain a possibility there across southwest Arkansas. We should start to dry out after we get through that time frame or through Thursday as a ridge sets in over us. Maybe some smaller chances through Friday. Saturday can't rule out a hit or miss chance of rain or storms. But look at that. Through next week, not a whole lot as we go forward. Maybe towards the second half of next week we could potentially see something, but we'll have to watch that closely. Overall, the general idea is looking at the overall pattern. Watch this right here over the El Paso area. As we go forward into the future, this area of ridge of high pressure starts to settle in over us here Sunday, but into the first half of next week, you can kind of see that. We're just in the middle of this ridge here. The flow, northwest flow, turns to out of the south. That northwest flow is the reason we've been getting those rain chances and those storm chances like we have been the last couple of days. That the jet stream goes north, and this ridge of high pressure is settles in over us. You can see that here with the way of these wind barbs and the pressure sensors or the pressure lines. You can see that centers over the Arkansas area through the first half of next week, and maybe tries to. Looking at that, we'll see, but kind of just settles in over us through next week for the most part. So we'll watch that closely, though, as we go into the upcoming future there for the week ahead and stuff of that nature there moving forward with that. Looking at the area-wide 6-day forecast, we've continued to see, once again, flash flooding in the Nashville area. A lot of heavy rainfall earlier this morning and today in those areas. Some areas of 11 inches to 5 inches of rainfall according to radar estimates. Some more thunderstorms will be possible through mainly the morning on Thursday with partly cloudy skies with a few peaks of sun. Should gradually clear out as we go throughout the day tomorrow. Highs will be in the upper 80s to lower 90s potentially in a few locations. Overnight lows in the 70s, 50% chance some morning storms. Partly cloudy skies on Friday, starting to dry out some towards the end of that this weekend. As we go into next week, you can see partly cloudy and mostly sunny to sunny skies as we go further into the future, with temperatures continuing to be on the rise with overnight lows in the 70s and forecasted highs climbing into the lower to mid 90s, with heat index values reaching up to probably near heat advisory level as we go into next week. So be on the lookout for that. Warm and hot, humid conditions will continue to be in the forecast as we move through the future. Not a long evening weather blog tonight, but a short one here. So this is all we got for the day today. Big thanks to always all of our sponsors for making this possible. The Grease Gorilla, Patterson's Credit Union, Janus Auto Supply, Bumper to Bumper, Elite Tree Services, Landmark Insurance Agency, and Palmer's Roofing. Give them a call if you're in need of any of the things that they can provide you with, as you see there on that screen. Feel free to contact contact them for any information that you need. And check out our website to get a direct link to these people or to our sponsors' Facebook pages, websites, and phone numbers to contact them if you're in need of any of the services that they provide. As always, we want to also extend that opportunity if you're interested in helping sponsor our Skycam network as we continue to try to grow the sky cameras that you see across southwest Arkansas, in the Prescott, Arkansas area, and a few other areas. You can contact us for more information. We are trying to continue to grow that and get your business in front of a national, potentially national, or nationally viewed, because that is on the HazCam's website as well. These cameras are available, and you can get your logo and website linked or Facebook page linked to that logo, where people can click on it and go immediately to your website or Facebook page. So not only that, but you can get seen in front of on average 1 million to 2 million views per month here on Southwest Arkansas Weather. So feel free to contact us if you're interested. Have a great rest of your Wednesday evening. Stay weather aware tonight. Once again, remember, flash flooding could be a possibility. Just a lot of heavy rainfall continues to be a possibility. So stay aware of that potential. We're watching for any potential development throughout the rest of the afternoon or throughout the rest of this evening. So far, though, on the quiet side, not seeing much there. So once again, just continue to keep an eye out on that. We'll keep you updated, though, with the latest. Have a great rest of your Wednesday. Thank you guys very much for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.